My question for you is, why are you presenting this as an either-or situation, right? I'm either going to do what I'm passionate about, or I'm going to do what makes money. You can have both. And if you've never considered having both before, this is the first step to creating that for yourself, is imagining what that might look like for you. So if this is the first time you're edging into believing, perhaps, the possibility that I get to have it all in my life, then take some time to reflect and write out what that could look like. So get your journal out and write, what would being able to have it all, regardless of external financial support, look like for me in my life? And then, why is it so important that I have these things? What will having it all allow me to do, to give, to serve, to become in my life and for others?